Hello, Crosby and Sons.
Hello, Crosby and Sons?
Hello?
Yeah, there seems to be a problem with my air system. Can you help?
Yes, we'll be right over. Hi, how are you?
I've been better.
Yeah, well, I'm from Crosby and Sons. We're here to clean your air ducts.
All right, come on in.
For 35 years, Crosby and Sons has been the top-notch company in air system cleaning.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I think it's my air system.
Oh, yeah? Well, let's take a look.
Our friendly representatives take pride in doing an excellent job cleaning your air system. Here at Crosby and Sons, safety is of the utmost importance, and so is providing thorough care for your air system. You have snakes in your air system! You're living and breathing snakes! If you have 77 snakes in your air system, that means each day you breathe in 77,000 snakes! That's why you're so sick! Crosby and Sons will get the snakes out of your air system.
Well, problem solved.
Wow, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Well, I'll see you later.
See you later.
Crosby and Sons, we'll get the snakes out of your air system. Call 1-800-4-CROSBY.
Crosby and Sons will clean your air.
Really?